If you've been searching for a clear explanation of how BetRivers promo codes actually work, then you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to break everything down step by step in the simplest way possible, so even if you've never used a sportsbook before, you'll fully understand how to claim and use these bonuses without confusion or mistakes. Now first, before anything else, let's talk about what a promo code actually is in the context of a platform like BetRivers. A promo code is basically a special keyword or string of letters and numbers that unlocks a specific bonus when you sign up or make a deposit. Think of it like a digital coupon. Instead of getting a discount at a store, you're getting betting credits, risk-free bets, odds boosts, or deposit matches depending on the offer that is currently available. But here's where most beginners get confused. Not every BetRivers promo code does the same thing. Some codes are for new users only, some are for returning players, and some are tied to specific events like NFL season, NBA playoffs, or special promotions during big games. That means the value of the code can change depending on when you use it and where you are located, because sportsbooks often run different offers in different regions. So let's start from the very beginning, like you've never even heard of this before. The first step is always account creation. When you go to the BetRivers website or app, you'll be asked to sign up with your basic details like your name, date of birth, email, and sometimes your address for verification purposes. This step is important because sportsbooks are regulated and they need to make sure you are legally allowed to participate in sports betting in your region. Once your account is created, that's where the promo code comes in. During the registration process or immediately after it, you'll see a field that says something like promo code or bonus code. This is where you enter the code exactly as it is given. And when I say exactly, I mean you need to be careful with capitalization, numbers, and spacing, because even a small mistake can cause the system to reject it or not apply your bonus correctly. After entering the code, the next step usually involves making your first deposit. Most BetRivers welcome bonuses are tied to your initial deposit, meaning you won't actually receive the bonus until you fund your account. For example, a common type of offer might be something like a 100% deposit match up to a certain amount. That means if you deposit a specific amount, the platform matches it with bonus funds, effectively doubling your starting balance. However, those bonus funds are usually not immediately withdrawable. They often come with wagering requirements, which means you need to place a certain amount of bets before you can cash out any winnings. Now let's slow down and talk about something very important that most beginners skip over, and that's terms and conditions. Every promo code is attached to rules. These rules include things like minimum deposit amounts, expiration dates, eligible sports or games, and wagering requirements. For example, some offers might require you to wager your bonus 5 times before withdrawal, while others might be higher or lower depending on the promotion. If you ignore these details, you might think you've won money, but then realize you can't withdraw it yet, which leads to frustration for many new users. Another important thing to understand is that not all promo codes are publicly available. Some are advertised on the official website, some are sent through email newsletters, and others are given through partnerships, influencers, or special campaigns. That means if you find a code online, it may or may not still be active, because sportsbooks frequently update or remove offers depending on their marketing schedule. Once your deposit is made and the promo code is accepted, your bonus should appear in your account. Sometimes it shows up as bonus cash, sometimes as free bets, and sometimes as bet credits that can only be used on specific markets. This is where strategy becomes important, because how you use your bonus can affect whether you actually turn it into withdrawable cash or lose it quickly. For example, if you receive free bet credits, many experienced users recommend placing them on higher probability outcomes rather than risky long-shot bets. That way, you increase your chances of converting that bonus into real winnings. On the other hand, if you go for high-risk bets immediately, you might lose the bonus before it has a chance to grow. Now let's talk about something that catches a lot of beginners off guard, and that's withdrawal rules. Even if you win using bonus funds, you can't always withdraw immediately. BetRivers, like most regulated sportsbooks, will require you to meet wagering conditions first. Only after those conditions are satisfied does your bonus balance convert into withdrawable cash. This system is designed to prevent abuse of promotional offers and ensure fair use of the platform. Another thing you need to know is that promo codes are sometimes location specific. A code that works in one state or region might not work in another. This is because gambling regulations differ depending on where you are, and sportsbooks must comply with local laws. So if a code doesn't work, it doesn't always mean it's fake or broken. It might simply not be valid in your area anymore. Let's also talk about timing, because timing actually matters more than most people realise. Promo codes often change during major sporting seasons. For example, during the NFL season, sportsbooks like BetRivers usually offer stronger promotions to attract new users. During slower periods, the bonuses might be smaller or more limited. That's why experienced users always check for the latest promotions before signing up, instead of relying on old codes they saw months ago. Now, if you're wondering how to make sure you're using everything correctly, the safest approach is to always double check the official terms attached to the promo code before you enter it. This includes checking the minimum deposit, the eligible games, and the expiration date. Most issues people face come from skipping this step and assuming all codes work the same way. Another useful tip is to always confirm that the bonus has actually been activated after you enter the code. Many users make the mistake of depositing money without verifying if the promo code was applied correctly. If the bonus doesn't show up in your account dashboard, it usually means the code wasn't accepted, and you may need to contact customer support before placing any bets. Customer support is actually a very important part of the process. If anything goes wrong, like missing bonus funds or invalid codes, BetRivers support can usually clarify what happened and help you fix it. This is why it's always better to resolve issues early instead of continuing to bet and assuming everything is fine. At this point, you might be wondering whether these promo codes are actually worth it. The answer depends on how you use them. If used properly, they can give you extra value, more betting flexibility, and a better starting experience. But if used carelessly, without understanding the rules, they can feel confusing and disappointing. So the key is not just getting the code, but understanding how it works from start to finish. One final thing to keep in mind is responsible usage. Betting should always be done with limits in mind. Promo codes are designed to enhance your experience, not guarantee winnings. Treat them as a bonus advantage, not a strategy for income. That mindset alone separates casual users from those who constantly run into problems. So, to quickly summarize everything without turning it into a list, a BetRivers promo code is entered during sign-up or deposit. It activates a specific bonus depending on the promotion. That bonus usually comes with conditions like wagering requirements, and you must follow all rules before you can withdraw any winnings. The most important thing is to always read the terms, enter the code correctly, and understand what type of bonus you are receiving before you start betting. If you've made it this far, then you now understand the entire process from start to finish, and you're already ahead of most beginners who jump in without learning how it actually works.